Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix activate Windows error on your computer. So first you need to press Windows and R on your keyboard. It will open run menu. You need to type winver, WINVER, tap on OK. If you are using Windows 10, make sure you are using Windows 10 version 1607 or later version. If you see you are using old version, you can simply go to start menu, then after go to setting. Go to Windows Update option, tap on, if you have paused the Windows Update, simply tap on Resume Updates. If you see Check for Update option, simply tap on Check for Updates. Then it will be updated into the latest version. So the next method is you have to re-enter the product key. To do that, go to Start menu, go to Setting. Under the System section, scroll down and tap on Activation option. Tap on Change Product Key option. Now you need to enter the product key that is already used for the Activate Windows. Then after tap on Next, then it will be activate again. Alternatively, you can go to you can press Windows and R. It will be open run menu. You need to type SLUI space 3. Tap on OK. That also come to the Windows 11 activation screen. Again you can change your product key using tap on change. Next method is you can go to search bar, type CMD, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes on the pop-up menu. Now you need to type SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. This will fix the corrupted system files that might block the activation. If you are using previously used product keys, try to use a new product key, because old product key will be not working, and because it will be invalid sometimes, this goes to activation failure. So if none of that methods are not working, you have to get the contact of the Microsoft support. So these are the methods you can try to fix the activation error Windows on your computer. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.